Hi everyone, my name's Ash. Today I've gone into Hair for All UK for my first fitting of my hair system. For probably the past 4 years now, maybe slightly longer, I've been shaving my head as like many, I suffer with baldness and receding. So I've gone and seen Phil and his team, and they've been absolutely incredible. They've gone and fitted my hair system, as you can see here today. I've gone for the swept back look. I'm absolutely impressed with the overall level of quality, just even better than I thought it would be with my first fitting just a few months ago. They've customised it perfectly to my colours, adding in a few different types of brown, bits of auburn, and the odd bit of grey, as I've got plenty coming through now. But I've just made my way back home, and I'm just going to give myself a little bit of a tidy up of the beard. Beard's got to match up to my hairstyle now, so let's give it a go. There we go. Not the best, but it would do. I'll sort the rest out when I've got a bit better lighting. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all soon.